Hi foodies, I have a really good one for you today, really easy and tasty. This is Tamarind-Jerk chicken. We're going to be doing this in the oven, so pretty easy and it's going to be really flavorful. Let's get into it. Here I have some leg quarters, guys. You can leave the skin on if you prefer, and I made some slits in the chicken to get the seasoning to penetrate it a little better. You can leave the skin on if you want, okay? So I'm gonna add some green seasoning first. This is a blend of thyme, scallion, onion, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet. I have a recipe linked below in the description box, so you can check that out. You should always keep this at home. And then I have some pimento seeds that I crushed, some allspice berries, really flavorful. Then I'm gonna add some ginger powder. And I'll go in with some black pepper. Add as much black pepper as you can tolerate. This is my chicken seasoning, and this is Jamaica Valley brand. Then I'm gonna go in with a jerk seasoning. This is a wet jerk seasoning. Use as much as you can tolerate, and depending on who you're cooking for. Then I'll add soy sauce. I'm also going to go in with some browning just to help it along with some color. And then all you have to do is just rub this into the chicken. Give it a really good massage. Let that seasoning penetrate the flesh. And then leave this for at least 24 hours in the refrigerator to marinate. All right. Now, if it's warm outside, you could totally do this on your grill or over pimento wood if you want to be really authentic about the jerk, right? But I'm using my oven today. So I have a baking tray with foil, and I'm just going to lay the chicken on top. And we're going to bake this at 355 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Now for the tamarind part of this recipe. I made some tamarind sauce beforehand, and that's the last video that I posted on my channel. I will leave the link in the description box below the video. So you just need to click that down arrow beside the title of the video and it will open up the description box. Heat up that tamarind sauce on the stove and just set it aside. Then take that chicken out of the oven, flip it over and brush on half of that tamarind sauce. Then you're gonna bake it for 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. After baking it for 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, take it out, flip it back over. So this is your display side. You want this side to be really pretty. This is the side we're gonna brush on with the rest of the sauce and bake it for another 25 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. So brush on that sauce, all of it if you want to. Put it back in the oven, 375 degrees for 25 minutes. Of course, if you're using smaller leg quarters, you might need less time. If they're really big chickens, then you might need all of the time. All right, you can always use a meat thermometer if you want to use that method of checking the temperature. So that's it, guys. Look at this beautiful chicken. Like, the tamarind sauce is nicely caramelized on top, so you get that flavor from the jerk, but then you get that sweet and tart from the tamarind sauce. It's a really good match and it's so tasty. You can have this with Jamaican fried festivals. You could have it with rice and peas, mashed potatoes, whatever you like. But this is so delicious. I know you're gonna enjoy this. So remember to click on that down arrow beside the video title to check out the description box for details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.